everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got finished filming this eyeshadow look, this neon eyeshadow cut crease. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _skinnyminishy and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you, enjoy. Okay everybody, welcome back to my channel. What am I doing here? I dropped the mirror. Okay, so first I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill in Morphe palette, and I'm going in with my number 7 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going into the shade Alert, and I'm packing that onto my eyelid. And I'm going to pack it on first before I blend it so that the color comes out more vibrant. And I just keep pressing that on. Then I go in with Mugshot from the same palette and I pack that on underneath or on top. And then I start to blend it. And I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. Packing it on and blending it. And packing it on and blending it. Whoops, I almost fell out my goddamn chair. Now I'm going into another palette. It's a Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm applying this black eyeshadow into the outer corner of my eyelid. And I'm packing it on darker at the outer corner and then lighter at the inner corner, so that the outside has like a darker effect. And like I said before, I'm just going to pack that on and then blend it out. I'm going to blend the front out more lightly and then just pack on the black. And this black actually looks like really dark. And at first on the other eye I didn't like it, but then once I started blending it out, it looked a lot better. Now I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette with Mugshot, and I'm just blending the black and those two colors together to give it a more seamless look. And I'm just going to keep doing the same thing until I'm satisfied with how it comes out. And now what I'm doing is applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the yellow color corrector, and I am going to cut my crease with that. I used the yellow color corrector because the neon pigment that I'm going to use from the Mayo Makeup Pigment Stack looks better on top of the yellow corrector versus using like one of the beige or like actual skin color correctors for this look, for this part. And then I'm taking a flat brush and I'm blending that down and cutting my crease. So what I'm doing now is taking the neon yellow from the Mayo Makeup Pigment stack, and I'm taking a flat brush, and what I'm going to do is apply the pigment at the top of the crease that I cut out right underneath where the black eyeshadow ends, and I'm just packing it on and pulling it down to the bottom of the crease. And I'm just going to keep repeating the same thing, packing it on and pulling it down. Now I'm going in with the Tribe from Juvia's Place palette, and I started to pack on the shade Chega on top, but I didn't like the way it looked, so what I'm going to do is go in with the shade Coral, and I'm going to pack that on top of the neon yellow pigment stack. And now I'm just going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 430. And I'm putting it all over my face, which I shouldn't have done. I should have done in sections because the Fenty dries fast. So usually I do one side of my face, or like one half and then the other half, but I didn't because I was being stupid. So I just put it all over my face, and you'll see like it might start drying. So I have to go back in and add more foundation. And I'm just going to blend it out with one of my You Spicy brushes, the number 32 brush. No, not the number 32 brush, the number 31 brush, and blend it out. Period. And I'm just going to keep on blending that out. And blending, and blending, and blending. Oh, whoa. After I blend out my foundation with my brush, I of course go in with a beauty sponge and I start blending my foundation out. It's not a beauty blender, it's just a regular beauty sponge. I don't even remember where I got it from, probably Amazon, but I just blend it out with a beauty sponge, not a beauty blender. What I did off camera was put my concealer in the shade Fawn and my Ruby Kisses Chestnut concealer on my face, and I'm blending it out with a brush. Then I'm going to take a beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend it out all over like my face, underneath my eyes, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and I didn't put any on my forehead today. And now what I'm doing is taking one of my triangle sponges, and I'm just applying my Ben Eye setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm putting it underneath where I'm going to contour, underneath my cheekbones, onto my cupid's bow, and onto my under my eyes, and then on my chin. I don't leave the setting powder on for long. I don't bake. I only bake like underneath my cheekbones. And I press the setting powder in. I don't just leave it on, and then I wipe it away with a big fluffy brush. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm just contouring my cheekbones, underneath my chin, and like on my forehead a little bit with a number 32 brush from my You Spicy brushes. And here I am struggling to get the highlighter open, and then I realized that it was the wrong highlighter. So the right highlighter that I used is an e.l.f. highlighter, and I'm just taking that with one of my fan brushes and applying that to the areas that I want to highlight. I don't wear a lot of highlight at all. And now I am setting my face with my NYX Cosmetics setting spray, the dewy setting spray, and I'm just letting it dry by using one of my palettes to dry it off. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at _skinnyandmeshy. Thank you for tuning in.